What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing CatNap Sprunki. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw a large circle for the head. We're going to start at the very top of the middle. It's going to work our way around on the left side. Come down towards the middle. Go all the way around and up on the right. Now with that circle in place, let's move in and draw two circles for the eyes. Leave a gap in the center. Let's start on the top left. Going all the way around. And then back up towards the top. Now let's line up the top over on the right side and do the same thing. Down towards the same height. And then back up towards the top. Let's separate the eyes in half with a straight horizontal line. And we'll trace the bottom half of the eyes along the inside, going down and then up. Let's fill the outside of the eyes in black. Let's go up to the top and draw two curves for the eyebrows, going up and then down. Now in between the eyes, we're going to draw an upside down triangle for the nose. Start with a straight line going across, come down and in towards the middle, and we'll fill the nose in black. Let's go to the center and draw the top edge of the mouth. We're going to start with the left side, going down and then up. Do the same thing on the right. Let's draw on the bottom of the mouth, trace the circle on the inside, and we'll place the tongue along the bottom. Start with a point in the center, then this up and down toward the left and right side, and we'll fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now on the side of the head, let's add a couple points. On the left, going out, line this up on the right, do the same thing, come down and then in with an angled line. Now I'm going to come down and out towards the bottom, and then pull that straight in. Now I'm going to move up and draw the outside edge of the ears. Let's start on the left, we're going to angle this up and then out towards the top. Line this up on the right, going up and out towards the same height. Now I'm going to angle the ears, coming down and then in on top of the head. Now you want to trace the ears along the inside, going up toward the top and then back down. Now we're going to move down and draw on the body. Let's start over on the left. Angle the body coming down and out. Go to the right side and do the same thing. Going down towards the same height. And we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. Let's go up to the top. We're going to draw a circle with an open end on the right side. So we're going to start up here, go all the way around, pull that up, go back up to the top, draw a smaller circle going around the inside. Let's go up to the top of the body, angle this down and in. Let's add the tail coming out from the left and then back in. So let's start down here, curve this around, go up in the middle, come down. I'm just going to pull this around and up towards the side. Let's trace this along the outside. So we're going to step up, follow that same curve, go all the way around. Let's line up the bottom of the tail over on the left side of the body, bend this down and then up. And we want to trace this back in. and then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of CatNap from Sprunki. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.